Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about how to make a proposal on Upwork. If you're new to freelancing or if you're struggling to win jobs on Upwork, this video is for you. Step 1. Research the job. The first step in making a proposal on Upwork is to research the job. Look at the job description and requirements carefully, and make sure you understand what the client is looking for. Take note of any specific skills or experience that the client is looking for, as well as any deadlines or other requirements. Step 2. Craft your proposal. Once you've done your research, it's time to craft your proposal. Start by addressing the client by name and introducing yourself briefly. Then, summarize the job requirements and explain why you're a good fit for the job. Use specific examples from your past work experience to demonstrate your skills and experience. Step 3. Highlight your skills and experience. In your proposal, it's important to highlight your skills and experience that are relevant to the job. Explain how your skills and experience make you a good fit for the job, and how they will help you deliver high-quality work for the client. Step 4. Provide samples of your work. Another way to stand out in your proposal is to provide samples of your work. If you have work that is similar to the job you're applying for, provide links to those samples in your proposal. This will give the client a better idea of your skills and what you can deliver. Step 5. Include your rate. Finally, make sure to include your rate in your proposal. Be transparent about your rate and explain why you think it's fair. If you're willing to negotiate on your rate, let the client know that as well. Conclusion. So, that's how to make a proposal on Upwork. Remember to research the job, craft your proposal, highlight your skills and experience, provide samples of your work, and include your rate. With these tips, you'll be on your way to winning more jobs on Upwork. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.